everyone, I am Shinjana of class 19. Today I am going to talk about World Youth Skills Day. Today we gather to celebrate World Youth Skills Day observed annually on July 15, established by United Nations General Assembly in 2014. This day emphasizes the importance of equipping young people with essential skills for their personal and professional development. World Youth Skills Day focuses on youth aged 15 to 24, a group that represents significant potential for innovation and growth. However, they face challenges such as unemployment and underemployment, which hinder their ability to fully contribute to society. A key element highlighted on this day is vocational education and training, or VET. VET programs provide young individuals with practical skills tailored to meet labor market demands, fostering economic resilience and self-employment opportunities. Additionally, digital literacy is crucial in preparing young youth for a continuously evolving technological landscape. As we celebrate World Youth Skills Day, let us commit to providing the necessary resources and opportunity for our youth to thrive. Investing in their skills is an investment in the future of our society. Now, some questions. First questions to class 1 to 3. When is World Youth Skills Day celebrated? Yes, the answer is 15th July. Second question to class 4 and 5. Who established World Youth Skills Day? I am repeating my question. Who established World Youth Skills Day? The correct answer is the United Nations General Assembly. The third question to class 6 to 8. In what year was World Youth Skills Day established? I am repeating my question. In what year was World Youth Skills Day established? The correct answer is 2014. Fourth question to class 9 and 10. What age range does the term youth typically refer to in the context of World Youth Skills Day? Yes, 15 to 24. And fifth question to class 11 and 12. What does VET stand for? I am repeating my question. What does VET stand for? The correct answer is Vocational Education and Training. Thank you.